Welcome to Mastering Gardening with Tarping. Essential tips for new green thumbs. In this video, we'll introduce you to the tarping method, a valuable technique for all new gardeners. So, let's get started. First, the tarping method is a simple and effective way to prepare your garden beds. It involves using a tarp to cover the soil, smothering weeds, protecting your soil from erosion, and creating a healthy, fertile environment for your plants. Here's how you do it. Start by clearing your garden bed of any existing vegetation. Then, spread the tarp tightly over the soil, ensuring it covers the entire area. Secure the edges of the tarp with rocks or stakes to keep it in place. Leave the tarp on for about 4 to 6 weeks or longer, depending on the severity of weed growth. Why is the tarping method beneficial? Well, while the tarp is on, it blocks sunlight, preventing weeds from sprouting and competing with your plants. Additionally, the tarp reduces soil erosion caused by wind and rain, protecting your valuable topsoil. After the tarping period is complete, remove the tarp and witness the transformation.
You'll find weed-free, loose, and fertile soil perfect for planting. Now, your plants will have the competitive advantage they need to thrive without the interference of pesky weeds. The tarping method is especially helpful for new gardeners who may be overwhelmed by weed management.
It saves time and energy and offers a natural, chemical-free alternative to weed control. In conclusion, if you want to save yourself from the constant battle against weeds and improve your garden's overall health, give the tarping method a try.
Your plants will thank you. Thanks for watching this video on essential tips for new gardeners using the tarping method. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks for beginners. Happy gardening!